Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you a SnapAddy use case. Social selling is key in today's business world, and I'm going to show you how to take advantage of business network sites like LinkedIn and creating or updating contacts in SAP Sales Cloud. To give you a bit of an insight on why social selling is so important, roughly 75% of B2B buyers and 84% of top-level decision makers use social media to make purchasing decisions. And more than 50% of revenue across 14 industries is generated by social sales. Now I'm going to show you how to use the SnapAddy LinkedIn integration to achieve these goals. As you can see, I'm in LinkedIn right now, and I've opened up a contact, in this case, Tobias. And we can also see that we've got the SnapAddy button right underneath, or if I'm in LinkedIn Sales Navigator, we've got the SnapAddy button here on the right. Simply click on the SnapAddy button, and the contact data will be taken from the LinkedIn profile and added to the data quality solution directly within SAP. Now we can see from the duplicate check that the contact does not exist, but the account does. Now, using some of these buttons up here on the top, for example, company data, we can perhaps refine some of the information. For example, the industry, maybe the VAT number, maybe the address, in case any of this information has changed. We'll simply apply the three values, and we can see now that the information has also been added to the contact. The only thing that we don't have is an email address, so we'll click on our email validator. And it shows here that the likely email address of Tobias is this one right here with an 80% chance. So we'll select that. And then we'll simply click on Save and Open. So the contact has been created and directly linked with the account. It's that easy. So as you can see, updating your CRM with data quality has never been easier. According to a survey, 29% of respondents believe you can significantly increase revenue by improving data quality. So if you're interested, please sign up for our 2-week free trial with SnapAddy Data Quality.